9702 by June 2018, paper 1, variant 1, topic is vector. Question number is 3. Two dogs pull, two dogs pull a sledge along an icy track, as shown. So this is a sledge, two dogs, X and Y are pulling it, right? Pulling the sledge, and the resultant of force in this direction, it is mentioned. Okay. So dog X pulls with a force of 200 Newton at an angle of 65 degree to the front sledge, right? And dog Y pulls a force of 120 Newton at an angle of 45 degree to the front sledge. A. What is the resultant force on the sledge exerted by the two dogs? So we need to resolve these two forces of 200 and 120 Newton with their horizontal and vertical component. So the horizontal component over here for the dog X is 200 sine 65 because this will be considered as a cos and this will consider as sine because the angle is mentioned is from this side. So 206 sine 65 plus 120 sine 45 for the dog Y, and for the vertical component for the dog X, 206 cos 65 and 120 cos 45. So we need to add them. 200 sine 65 plus 120 sine 45 will be 181.26 plus 84.85 equals 266.11. And for this 200 cos 65 minus 120 cos 45 will be 84.85 minus 84.52 minus 84.85 equals minus 0.33 Newton. Notice that this force is very small. So from the resolution, resultant vector V equals Vx square plus Vy square. So 266.11 square plus 0.33 square. The root of them is 2.266.11. Notice that 26.11 is closest to the horizontal, right? So if you don't want to do this, right? If you notice this value is very small as compared to this. So and it's mentioned the forward force is along the horizontal. So you don't have to resolve this. But if this value is higher, then you need to resolve this the same way. So I suggest you should use this way. It will cover anything. You will not face any problem. So the vector V will be the resultant force will be 266.11. So from the option, the closest one is 270 Newton. So option C will be the right answer.